So the UK High Street's been coming out with some quite interesting statements about how challenging life was before Christmas. Not many of them have done very well. Particularly somebody like Debenhams has admitted that it was very, very tough trading into Christmas. And we've seen a massive spike in short interest in Debenhams with some high-profile hedge funds like BlackRock. And I think Marshall Wace disclosing some big short positions there as Debenhams sort of admit that they're struggling slightly. So against that, it was quite sort of surprising, took everyone by surprise when Mike Ashley of Sports Direct announced that he owned sort of 4.7% of Debenhams through Sports Direct. His listed FTSE 100 company has bought a massive stake in Debenhams, which is kind of a very contrarian move with a company that's just kind of given, in effect, a profits warning. Now that could be quite a smart move because he owns lots of brands like Dunlop and like Slazenger, as well as some more high-end ones, and he's been fantastic at selling sporting clothing in the high street. So Debenhams were quite pleased when that was announced, but a lot of people were quite surprised that he can see a future for someone like Debenhams. So supermarkets, Sainsbury's sort of eked out a little bit of growth. Morrisons struggled in its Christmas trading. We've got some high-profile hedge funds again shorting Morrisons, but then Elliott Associates, Elliott Advisors, big US activist hedge fund, they've announced a bit of a turnaround plan. They own a good slug of Morrisons, and they're basically saying, look, we've got a company here with a market cap of $5 billion, and yet it owns a freehold property for its real estate, and the freehold value of that is about $10 billion. So the company needs to do something to unlock some value and return money to shareholders, maybe some sale and lease back. So you've got an activist hedge fund with proven form at buying into companies which are not kind of maximising their assets. So you've got a kind of long and a short sort of story around Morrisons at the moment.